Land assembly is where we gather together a group of landowners, usually on the outer edges of a major town or city. The land is highly fragmented and the landowners are wanting to productively rezone their land and work together, and they see the benefit in the efficiency of working as an organised group. We've dealt with groups of 1 or 2 people up to several hundred. What landowners find is that when they're in heavily fragmented land areas is that often they can't get traction with local government. So the benefit in working together is that they become a unified voice, and therefore councils are much more prepared to listen to a single unified voice of landowners. Every group of landowners is unique. We offer a free initial consultation to maximise the full potential of your property.